Thank you. Wow, that's a lot of light. Hi, I'm Andreas, founder, CEO of KiteX. We are revolutionizing distributed wind energy and delivering affordable energy to homes and rural houses. We are raising a 2.5 million seed round to take our proven technology and scale it. Farms and houses are being left behind in the energy transition. They want to upgrade to heat pumps and EVs, but are facing high energy costs. Solar doesn't provide cheap electricity during winter, only providing electricity 4% of the time. Grid electricity is costing more than 30 cents per kilowatt hour, and small wind turbines are way too expensive to be cost efficient. At KiteX, we developed a wind turbine inspired by kites, optimized for exactly this use case. It produces actually most of its energy during winter when you need the electricity. It's 80% cheaper than grid electricity. We can achieve 5-year and less payback periods, and it produces 15,000 kilowatt hours per year. How is this possible? The main thing is our patented protection system of the turbine and intelligent control. We use really thin synthetic lines to enhance the structural integrity of the turbine. We have a flexible supply chain using a lot of standardized extrusion profiles combined with our structural 3D prints. And then we use ground screws for efficient installation and, of course, a low environmental impact. The end result is that we can actually achieve 20 times more energy per material than conventional small turbines. It's even 4 times more energy per material than solar installations. Our main market that we are focusing on right now is in the European area, and the key market is in the western part, where you typically find the higher wind speeds and relatively flat grounds. In this area, you'll find 600,000 farms and 1.5 million homes, each spending roughly 8 billion on electricity each. We have pre-orders for the first 90 turbines, valued at 2.3 million euros. And this is our first commercial installation in Germany, and we have over 2,000 hours of operational experience. But we actually have much more experience. Before we built this turbine, we built 200 even smaller turbines to validate the technology. We sold these to people that want to go to remote camp areas and campsites, generating 300,000 worth of revenue. Most of these customers are very happy with the turbine, giving us 5-star reviews. But really, it was to learn about the technology, show that we can manufacture these in an economically way, and deliver and distribute the product. Now, the target is to take the larger size and scale up the production to get to 8,000 units in 2029, generating 100 million euros of revenue, saving 50 kilotons of CO2 each year. And of course, the CO2 savings will just compound year on year as we install more turbines. We are an experienced management team. We've been together for 5 years. We have 25 years of previous startup experience. We have both engineering capacities, both in software, wind, aerospace, and electrical engineering, as well as commercial experience. Being Danish, we also have access to some of the most established experts in the wind industry, including Henrik Stisdal, who is known for inventing, if you will, the Danish concept, the current wind turbine you know today. He says this is the most compelling small-scale wind turbine he's ever seen. So we are raising 2.5 million euros to go from 1 TVT to 100 TVTs. This will generate 2 million worth of revenue. We already have a 1.3 million euro grant, and the 2.5 million euro equity will combine with a 500k convertible. The main funding will be spent on further R&D, design for manufacturing, production setup, and additional certifications for new markets. So this is it. The vision is clear. 8,000 turbines by 2029, 100 million euros in revenue, and that will put us on a path to millions of tons of CO2 saved, more affordable energy, more prosperity. Thank you.